Hi, this is Abhi from RiPixel, and today I will show you how to permanently turn off auto dubbing on the YouTube app. So if you ever clicked a video and heard a weird AI voice instead of the original creator, that's YouTube auto dubbing feature, and honestly, it can be annoying. There's no single off switch, but there is a permanent workaround that actually works. Let me show you how. First, you need to tell YouTube which languages you actually understand. Open the YouTube application, then tap on your profile icon at the bottom right, and here click on settings icon at the top. Now click languages and choose preferred languages option, and it will show a list of languages. From here, select every language that you can understand, like English or any other you speak. So if I speak English and Hindi, I'll simply choose Hindi and English. After I select the languages that I speak and understand, I will click confirm. Now, YouTube will stop force dubbing videos that are already in those languages that you would have selected here. Now, if you're already watching a video that's been dubbed, you can switch it back instantly. Just open the video and while watching, simply click three-dotted icon at the top right and click audio track. Here, you can select the original audio track from just right here. So the auto-dubbed audio tracks are here. Simply click the original audio at the top, and in most cases, YouTube will remember this choice for the rest of your session. One quick thing to keep in mind, YouTube Shorts have limited options. If a short is auto-dubbed, you usually won't see the audio track menu. That's why the preferred language setting is super important, especially for shorts. So that's how you do it. Thanks.